All right, so today I went to my local thrift store and found this poker chip Carousel Special Home Edition. It says it's a quality gaming set that includes 200 standard size poker chips, 2 decks of playing cards, Texas Hold'em instructions, and a wooden revolving chip holder. This is thrifted. It was $4 flat, no tax, at the thrift store, which I like more about other places like Savers and Value Village that have tax. I like how this place, Goodwill, as most people know, is a fundraiser and does not include tax, which I like a lot. So this is used, so it is missing the 2 decks of playing cards and some poker chips, but it's not missing all of them. It's in really good condition, I'd say, for how vintage this is. I tried doing some research when this came out, don't really know. But same thing on the back, just in French. So yeah, let's open it up. I did Ziploc all the poker chips because they were scattered everywhere when I bought it. So I just kind of cleaned it up. Okay, so the Carousel, it has this nice kind of birch wood touch to it. It's got a nice metal handle for carrying around, your 2 slots for your playing cards, and it has a Lazy Susan on the bottom. So when you're playing with people and you're at a table, you just spin it around. Your poker chips go into these slots here. And poker chips comes with white. There's more white than anything else in the set because white is the most common bet because it's usually the smallest amount. There's black, blue, green, and red. So most people know how to do this, but for people that don't know how to do this, put the poker chips in by stacking them up and inserting them into the slots here, just like so. If you want to take them out, if you want to take a chip out, just pinch in there, pull it out. If you want to take them all out, just pinch the whole stack like this, and that's really how you do it. So good quality vintage poker set I picked up. It was a great deal for $4, and yeah, thanks for watching.